your best friend, my best friend, and our best friend, ang bida ng saya, Jolly Jollibee! Napaka-special naman pala ng birthday party ni Mara. Hi, Jollibee, please. Stay here, Mara. Lalapit sa atin din si Jollibee. Lalapit mo. Don't worry. Ako magpapalapit kay Jollibee sa'yo. Okay, and now, kids, go back to your proper seat. And Jollibee, mamaya na yan. Una ka pa talaga sa first. Alright, and now, hi, Jollibee. This is our birthday celebrant, Mara, and Mommy and Daddy, and also, Ate Chicha, come here. Ate si Ate Chicha naman. Gusto natin maglaro na ni Ate Chicha. Ano? So, family picture po muna tayo together with Jollibee. Nahihiya. Bakit ka nahihiya dyan? May sakit na. Hindi, mali. Ikaw talaga, oo. Okay. Mami and Daddy, dito po tayo sa harapan. Okay, and then together with our birthday celebrant para makita po natin ang maigi ang sayaw ni Jollibee. Ako na Jollibee. Sa'yo daw. Yan rin sayaw mo. Oh, sige, Jollibee. Okay, parang hanaba. Okay, and now, syempre, we have announcement po. Okay? Sa mga parents po na may mga hawak na bata, manatili lang pong hawakan yung mga kids natin at iwasang lumapit yung mga kids natin kay Jollibee while dancing dahil limited lang po ang nakikita ni Jollibee. Limited, hindi bulag. Masyado ka naman dyan, OA. Okay na. Okay, and now, bago sumayaw si Jollibee, bigyan natin masigabong palakpakan si Jollibee! Go, Jollibee! We're going to play a typical number. Smoke it! Let's go! Let's get it on! Get it on. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena. Hey, Macarena, Macarena. Hey, chop on and then turn to a sprinter. This is on my dick, time, give me 1 minute. One day. Kento. Your attention, please. Wala pa naman Masakit na. Sumasakit na. Okay, and now, syempre, let's proceed to the main event of this evening, which is the candle blowing. Alright, kaya na syempre tinatawagan ko po si Mommy and Daddy dito sa harapan para samahan po ang ating birthday celebrant na si Mara. Alright, also together with Ate Chichay. Thank you. At syempre, ini-invite ko rin po kayong lahat to please all stand up at sabay-sabay po natin kakantahan si Mara ng happy birthday song. Alright? Magaling ka talaga pumili ng yayakapin, Jollibee, no? Hawakan na lang daw para mas maganda. Mabigat po ba? Okay lang yan. Kaya-kaya ni Daddy yan. Okay, and now syempre, again po, sabay-sabay po natin kakantahan si Mara ng Ready everybody for our birthday song? Habang sinisinggan natin ito. Ayan. Alright, you're ready. Jollibee and our guest. So, syempre, kakantahan natin si Mara ng happy birthday song. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Louder! Ngayon naman isang malakas at masiglang happy birthday song!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, and now let's all shout happy birthday, Mara. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Mara.
Alright, at syempre, Mara, if count to 3, you may now blow your candle. But before that, so close your eyes first and make a wish. Alright, and now in a count of 3, you may now blow your candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and smile! Okay, palakpakan naman natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Alright, at syempre, babalik ni Daddy yan at marami na po, pwede na po tayong magsiupo.
We're done